Repurposing content is going to be one of the best ways to give you peace of mind, to keep you from stressing out, trying to keep up with the algorithm. And the algorithm is pushing short form content anyway. So for those of you that do a lot of long form content like myself, or you're doing podcasts, one of the best ways to grow your channel is using shorts. If you're like me, then there's not enough time in a day. Listen, I work in IT 9 to 5. I'm a content creator for myself. I'm a content creator for other people. You know, I have several different, business endeavors. I'm an entrepreneur. I do a lot of things in the community. It's just not enough time in a day. And the thing is that it's so rewarding being a content creator, but it can also suck because, again, you don't have enough time really for yourself, especially when you're committed to doing so many other things. And so I want to talk to those people who are kind of like me. Maybe you find yourself just in a burnout, a creative burnout, where you really don't know what to create. You don't know if you want to create at all, yet alone what it is to figure out how to create. YouTube has a dope feature that I think is going to help you the same way that it's helping me. What I have the ability to do, because I've uploaded a lot of videos, and this is also going to work for new channels as well, but for those of you who have been creating content and maybe you don't see a lot of traction, this is going to be a great way to grow your channel as well using YouTube Shorts, but specifically using YouTube Shorts in a way that I think is going to absolutely change the game. Listen, Gary Vee has this concept. It's been out forever. It's called macro to micro. Basically, we're taking large, long format pieces of content and breaking it down into micro, smaller, bite-sized pieces. Why? Because it's more easily digestible. So instead of throwing a porterhouse at somebody, you may want to give them steak bites. Even though the porterhouse is probably going to taste better.
That's what I'm talking about.
But the same thing that's in the cake is in the crumbs, whatever. Maybe you'll catch that tomorrow. But listen, what I want to do is go back and look at some of my old videos. Like today, I really don't want to create a new video today, even though I'm actually recording this for you all. I'm just using that as an example. What I can do is go back into my history. I can look at all of my published videos. I can look at some private videos that you guys have never seen, some unlisted videos that were for clients or whatever, and I just think there was a dope piece of content or information in there that was worth sharing. I can go back to that video, extract that information, pull it out, whether in a soundbite or a video, and I can repurpose it. Repurposing content is going to be one of the best ways to give you peace of mind, to keep you from stressing out, trying to keep up with the algorithm. And the algorithm is pushing short form content anyway. So for those of you that do a lot of long form content like myself, or you're doing podcasts, one of the best ways to grow your channel is using shorts. But in this format, is going to keep you more consistent, keep you from burning out. So let me stop talking. Let me go ahead and jump in my iPhone so I can show you exactly how we get this done. All right, so right now I'm inside of YouTube app on my iPhone. I'm gonna use for an example a video that I posted about 3 years ago, kind of like a podcast style video, but you can see right there, it's 14 minutes and 22 seconds. Now, here's the thing. This is specifically about business. And I know that this video has the potential to perform a lot better than it did, because there are tons of people who are looking for advice on how to start businesses, all those types of different things. And I'm actually going to do an experiment with this, where I'm going to update some of the titles, thumbnails, bring this from 2019 into 2020, into 2023, and see, let's do it before and after and see how it performs. But for the purposes of today's video, what I want to show you, there's a remix button right there. And you can do this for if there are videos that you feel like should have performed better, just go in and grab a quick 15 to 60 seconds of what you think was some of the best information, and that will send people back to that video to kind of watch. So I'm going to hit this remix button. I'm going to hit remix, and then you'll see here the option is edit into a short. So for your own videos, you can remix other people's content, but for your own things, you want to hit edit into a short. All right, and it's gonna bring this up, stop playing. So what I wanna do, first of all, hit pause. I'm going to, first of all, hit 60, because I know this is probably gonna be about a 50-second clip. I'm gonna hit 60 up here in the top. All right, and then I can use this white circle right here. So I'm gonna take this, stretch that out so I can get the full 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna take the white circle and go over here roughly to about 6:34, where I know that this clip is probably gonna start talking that. Then I know this is probably going to end somewhere around there. Simply click next. All right, so YouTube is going to do its thing. All right, and it's going to give you the option if you want to go in and type in your own captions, add any kind of text or anything like that. If it was an image or a video with no sound and you wanted to do a voiceover, timeline, filters, you can do any of that. We don't need to do any of that for the purposes of this video. Hit next. All right, and then it's gonna allow you, it should bring up the option to go ahead and put in your caption, your details, all of that information. Also, you know, you can go in here, and if there's a specific section from the video that you want to use from a thumbnail, you can actually choose that, change your visibility, location, your audience, and boom, there you go. You hit upload, and now you have a short. And so again, I don't have to stress out about coming up with a script. I don't have to stress out about trying to figure out, yo, am I gonna have time to create today? I can just go back to an old piece of content, a long form macro piece of content, go find what I feel like was the dopest 15, 30, 60, 45, 60-second part, cut that how I want to, and then boom, there's my short, there's my video for today. And I don't want you to feel like video actual posts or live streams are more important than shorts. No, you want to do what the algorithm is pushing, you know? So again, keep yourself calm, remove the stress from your life, get back to doing what you need to do, and keep creating content. And all of that took me probably no more than 5 minutes. If you can't find 5 minutes in your day to try to repurpose something that you've already done, then maybe we need to rethink this YouTube thing. But hopefully that helped you out, that quick tip. If you want to see any more information like this, go ahead, hit that like button, click that subscribe button, and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I post this type of content to the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.